welcome you to Anchorage, Alaska. The local time here is 12:52 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-on luggage stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during the flight. And please ensure that you have all your personal belongings before you deploy the aircraft. Please double check those seat pockets for your cell phones, AirPods, Kindles, hats, scarves, gloves. Please do a second check before you do leave the aircraft. As we reach your gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for your future travel planning, along with important baggage information.